beautiful June bunnies. I am back with another DIY for you guys, and I know in the past I have a DIY sticker as well as a little sticker book that you guys can make, and nothing has changed. I still love stickers and sticker books. So I was really inspired by bullet journaling and scrapbooking and stationery and all that jazz. So I thought it would be cool to do an upgraded version of the sticker book that I made, but this time more on the scrapbooking and bullet journaling style. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do so for more videos like this in the future. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Hi guys, all of the supplies will be listed in the description box below. Now with the sticker book cover, I just want to make note that you guys can use cardstock. Here I have this notebook from Daiso that has thick sturdy pages, and same thing for the gift bag. Again, make sure that the material is thick and sturdy enough for it to be a sticker book cover. Now with decorations, you guys can use washi tapes, stickers, stamps, art prints, or anything that you guys would like to decorate your cover with. First, take your cardstock paper and fold it in half. Now, depending on how big your sticker paper is, you may have to trim it down. Mine actually didn't fit, so I took a pencil and I marked as to where I would like to trim down the excess paper using a paper trimmer. If you guys don't have a paper trimmer, you guys can always manually cut using a pair of scissors. I just prefer a paper trimmer just because it's much easier to cut with, and it has a more like even cut. And here I made several different ones using the different types of material, such as like craft paper and cardstock, and even like the notebook that I got from Daiso. And here I gathered some extra scraps that I have that are about 2 inches wide. And so taking a hole puncher, I hole punch in the middle like so. And then here I have this ruler template that I got from Daiso, and I'm using the circle with the 1 inch diameter to trace around the hole punch. If you guys don't have the same template ruler, you guys can always use something around the house. I found this cap that is about 1 inch in diameter that I actually got from a glitter container. And then so after you trace, you're going to cut out the circle using your scissors. And here are the results after I'm done cutting the circle cutouts. Now taking one, you're going to place it on top of the sticker book, and using your pencil, you'll mark as to where you would like for it to be placed. Here for the 2 sticker book covers, I'm making the mark on the right hand side, and then for the last one, I decided to do one on the left hand side. And then I'll show you guys what to do with these markings. Taking a hole puncher, you're going to hole punch just the front flap of the cover, and make sure that you again only do the front flap and not both the front and back. And then for the one on the left hand side, I recommend using a sharp object such as like a mechanical pencil. Here I'm using an awl, but I ended up going back in with the mechanical pencil just to make the hole a little bit bigger. So I just recommend just skipping a step and just start with the mechanical pencil. And then once you're done, this is what it looks like. And then for this next step, we're going to be decorating, and here you can choose whatever decoration you would like to use, such as art prints or washi tape, stickers, whatever it is that you guys would like to decorate with. But I just want to make note that when you're decorating, make sure that you place the circle cutout on top, and then make sure that you guys don't decorate just in that area where you're going to place the circle cutout. Just leave that area alone. And then I'm just gonna stop talking here, and I'll let you guys enjoy the decorating process. Okay guys, so I am back for this next part of the DIY. So after you're done decorating your sticker book cover, we'll be finishing up the entire sticker book cover by taking the cord string. You're going to tie it around the cover about 1.5 times, if not 2 times around the cover of the sticker book, just to make sure that you guys have enough cord string to work with. But again, you guys can make it however long you guys would like for your cord string to be. And then for this next part, we'll take the eyelet and place it through the hole of the circle paper cutout. You're going to flip it to the back side, and then taking your cord string, you'll tie it around the eyelet like so. And then taking your scissors, you're going to cut off the excess string. Now taking the whole thing, you're going to place it through the hole of the sticker book cover. With your eyelet pliers, you're going to clamp down really tight to fasten the eyelet to the sticker book. So that way when you're done, you can pull and tug onto the string and it won't come loose. And then this is what it should look like. So once you're done, you're going to take your string and wrap it around your sticker book. And then you may actually need to loosen up the paper cutout like so in order to wrap the string around it. And then again, it might be tight at first, but it'll be loose once you wrap it around the paper cutout a couple of times. Now for this sticker book, I actually have it on the left hand side, so you guys can't use an eyelet here, so I recommend using a metal brad instead. So again, taking the metal brad, you're going to place it through the hole of the paper cutout, flip it to the back side, tie the string around the leg of the metal brad, and here I'm actually double knotting just to make sure that it's securely tied. And then you're going to again cut off the excess string, and now taking the whole thing, you're going to pretty much do the same thing by placing it through the hole of the sticker book. And you will need to open up your the flap of your cover like so in order to pretty much press down the 2 legs of the metal brads. And once you're done, you're going to again tie the string around, wrap it around your sticker book, and then tie it around the paper cutout. And depending on how long your cord string is, you may need to trim it. I like mine the way it is, so I left it as is. And here I'm just doing some final touches because I somehow thought I would be confused and not know that this sticker book is a sticker book. So I put sticker on it, so that way, silly me wouldn't be confused. But for this next part, we'll be using some paper clips to hold the sticker papers together, so that way you can take your stapler and staple down the pages. Here I staple about 3 times along the side of the sticker paper. And then once you're done stapling, we're going to remove the paper clips, and then taking your sticker paper, you're going to place it inside the flap of the sticker book cover to make sure that once you are done, you can close the flap and would not have any problem, and that it fits in nicely. For this next part, please be very extra careful because we'll be using a sharp tool to pierce through the sticker paper, following the indicated marks. And depending on how many staples you have, but what you're essentially doing is that you're piercing one above and one below each of your staple. And because I have 3 different staples, I ended up with 6 different holes that I have to pierce onto the sticker paper. And then once you're done, we'll be taking some paper clips to clamp that to the back cover of the sticker book, so that way you can use your sharp tool to pierce through the back cover of your sticker book as well. And then for this next part, we'll be pretty much using a sewing technique, kind of like lacing through the holes of the that you pierced. So what you're doing is that you're going pretty much above and under. Essentially, you're sewing the pages and binding it to the cover. And as you continue with this step, you may need to occasionally pull and tug onto your cord string to pretty much tighten it. And that way, everything is secure and tightened, and that way the string is not loose. And then once you're done lacing through the sticker book, the sticker paper as well as the sticker book cover, you're going to have to flip it to the back side, and then you're going to tug onto the two ends of the cord string to again tighten it. And then once you're done, you're going to snip off one of the ends and then take both ends of the cord string. You're going to tie the two ends together. And then as you can see coming up, I ended up actually double knotting just to make sure that everything is securely tied and that the strings won't come apart. And then cut any excess ends with your scissors and then flip it to the back side, and then it's pretty much ready for you to start decorating. And so I just wanted to show you guys all of the different covers that I made. The possibilities are endless. I played with the different types of cord strings and the different materials as well as different colors, however you guys would like to make it. And then here we are, we're at the decorating process. Take your stickers, whichever ones that you like, and then place them into your new sticker book. I really enjoyed this part. I love having, a place for all of my stickers, for me to store all of them. And what I love about this is that the sticker paper actually is double-sided, and so when you flip it to the back side, you also can place your stickers there. And so this is pretty much how my sticker books turned out. I really love them, and I hope that you guys enjoy them too. I hope that you guys have fun making them, as well as decorating your sticker book and then organizing your stickers.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below which of the sticker books you guys like the most. I'm pretty torn between these two. So pretty much the coffee one I really love. I don't know, coffee, I love coffee. And the other one that I really, really like as well is this one of the girl doing art or DIYs or journaling, whatever it is. But I had a little bit of, coffee in here as well. So I'm really torn between these two. I don't know which one I like more. So I'm really curious as to which one you guys like the most. And if you guys do end up making these sticker books, I would love to see them. If you guys, don't mind sharing a photo with me via social media, I would love to feature them in my next video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I will see you guys in the next DIY. Bye guys.